The phrase "time is money" certainly applies in the food service industry, which explains why the bulk of accelerated cooking technologies reshaping the flow of commercial kitchens are focused on producing food quickly, safely, and efficiently. What was once considered a novelty application is now an integral part of restaurants, catering, cafeterias, and hospital kitchen operations.
I design new products that are looking at accelerated cooking. So what that means is we leverage microwave technologies to cook things faster than you would in a traditional conventional oven or a steamer. Think about when you're using your microwave at home, you might use it 5 minutes a week, where in a restaurant, they're using this for 12 hours a day. So we're designing for reliability and endurance and microwave distribution, so you don't have those hot spots that you typically see at home. In a restaurant environment, you have a very hot temperature. You have typically teenagers working back there and they're karate kicking the door. You have all different variants of products that are going in there. So how do you design something that might apply one way for a Mexican restaurant and then the next time it's a lobster tail going in for a seafood restaurant? So identifying those variants and maybe tweaking the distribution pattern or identifying the right output power of microwave or the right convection impingement power that's needed, that heat, temperature, time combination for each one. Our biggest challenge is trying to figure out how we can reduce time for cooking and preparation in the smallest footprint possible, where our products can be both front of the house and back of the house. If you look at where our customer base is, time is money, footprint's king, especially now in the situation we're in where you can have capacity. If you can keep your kitchen small, you can have a few more people in there and you have a lot more throughput for drive-through pickup. That food needs to be ready and it needs to be ready when they're there.
Despite the complexity of some of these products, they can be applied to practically any food service operation, be used by nearly anyone with remarkable ease, and deliver consistent, high-quality, healthy, food-safe results.
The kitchen environment has changed drastically. In general, it's just harder to find labor. So this type of technology just makes it easier for anybody to use. So you have somebody that just started this morning. They can get in front of an oven, touch a button, and they're off and running. They don't need extensive training, which a lot of times doesn't exist. That time to be able to spend a week training somebody, it doesn't happen anymore. Cost of energy is not getting any cheaper, so energy savings. These pieces of equipment are very efficient. It's just this little packet of all these things all into one that really has made the kitchen in general easier to operate.
For over 50 years, ACP has been dedicated to the professional food service industry, providing high-quality food options at leading restaurants worldwide and equipping them with the operational edge they need to achieve success.
We trace our lineage all the way back to the first microwave in the late 40s. Didn't take off till the late 60s, early 70s when it was made small enough to fit on a countertop, be a little more affordable. In the late 70s, early 80s, it was evident to us from the market demand that microwaves do a lot of things very, very well. We thermalize very well, we heat very well, we steam very well, but the one thing microwave alone doesn't do very well is browning and crisping. So we came out with the first combination oven that added convection air into the microwave process, and therefore the first commercial speed oven.
We were at the forefront of microwave technology back 50 plus years ago, and microwave can have kind of a negative connotation for some folks, but high-speed ovens incorporates lots of different technology to allow the operator to do lots of different things. High-speed ovens, depending on which product you look at, can incorporate microwave assist, convection, impingement, infrared radiant technology. So you're adding lots of different cooking technologies into one unit, which allows it to do lots of different things. We can have one piece of equipment that can have 4 different cooking technologies that allows the operator to create almost any kind of menu item and deliver it consistently, quickly, at a reasonable price within our product category, and that can be operated by almost anybody in the kitchen with minimal training. When you look at the entire breadth of our product line, we're the only ones who make our product here in the United States. So being able to actually create the product, assemble it, fabricate it, design all aspects of it, being able to do that here makes us much more responsive than maybe some other folks that are in our product categories. People want to know where the ingredients came from. Same thing with the operator. They want to know who made my product and can I trust that person person and can I trust that company? With the kind of heritage and the kind of history we have within this marketplace, that's something that we can offer that other folks can't. When you look at ACP as a company, we position ourselves as a technology leader within our marketplace. And I think that the products that we're delivering now speak to that, but it's not over. It's an ever-evolving marketplace. It's our mission to always improve what we're doing now. The advancement in technology in a relatively short amount of time speaks to that. And I think that's where we will continue to be going. Further advancements in technology, further specialization, exact to the operator's use.
Accelerated Cooking Products Incorporated. To learn more about ACP's products and services, visit acpsolutions.com or call 800-233-2366.